Narrow gauge engine with standard gauge trucks, part 2. Oh, I'm just trying to be a bigger engine, I guess. I can get out of here. Thank you. He went across the line. That engine was really rude. And don't come back. Viewers, if you heard that in the background, I forgot to mute the TV. Let's get back to this episode. Thomas is tucking along. Hi, Thomas. I'm Gandhi, Bondi. Yes, I remember you from there. Let me in this tunnel. Ow, says Thomas. I lost my buffers and funnel. I have to go to the Steamworks. Oh, ooh. And Scarloey got into his own accident. Oh no! I'm going in the rock filling shed! The trucks and Scarloey were damaged. The engines were clearing it away. Especially Percy. He was clearing it away the best. And then, at last, Scarloey was out. At least that blue engine didn't get rescued. Now, how is he going to exist now? Ha ha ha.